Wednesday shift na pala. Wednesday shift na. One more shift na lang. Kasi off ako ng Friday. Kaka-start lang ng shift. Kari is sound asleep. Gonna eat dinner. Same pa rin yung ano ko. Yung ulam ko. Yung ano pa din. Yung tawag dito. Yung chicken curry. But I was thinking of eating lumpia. Kasi I made lumpia kahapon ba? Kahapon ba yun? Or 2 days ago? Nakalimutan ko na. But I made lumpia and then same lang ginawa ko dun sa chicken fingers. Parang portion ko siya. I placed it sa small na Ziploc bags and then I froze them. Napalabas ko na siya actually. Nilabas ko na siya sa freezer. Nandun pa rin siya sa sa kitchen counter. Still thawing. Tine-check ko lang if may kailangan akong gawin. Kasi tapos na ako inbox sweep. Tingnan natin. Kasi ito siya, bigas pa rin siya. So, I think parang okay na siya. Ito yung coffee, warm. Kailangan ko na magpalagay ng window screen kasi ang dami ng lizards na nakakapasok dito. So, nag-prito na ako ng lumpia. 3 piraso lang yung pinrito ko kasi parang madami na. Iuubusin ko. 8 lumpia kasi sa kalapak. And ito na yung plate ko. Ready na siya. And I have my coffee here. Inubos ko na lang kung ano yung natira sa coffee machine. So, sa coffee maker. And then, here's my plate. It's the chicken curry, rice, and then the lumpia. The lumpia is waiting. If you notice, we turned the lights off here. Kasi the way parang yung layout dito, di ba open floor plan. Nisarang yung light bulb. Goodness. Hopefully, in the future, we can renovate para separate yung light dito sa kitchen and sa living area and dining. Pero, carry naman kasi may light naman coming from the outside, yung sa front. Sa front, kasi may glass kasi sa door. Yung glass ka sa door. So, you can see the light. So, yan. I'm cooking this in just low heat lang. Hindi naman masyadong low. Pero low heat. Tapos, yun yan. Kasi from frozen siya eh. Hindi pa siya masyadong thawed talaga. So, I'm just gonna wait for the lumpia. Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna eat. Okay, so I'm ready to eat dinner. Ay, naku, ang ingay. So, ito again, the food is here. Here's the lumpia. Focus ba? And a coffee. The coffee here. So I'm gonna eat what's YouTube, and stand by. So we're watch Simply Race. Gold Only 50 promo will expire tomorrow. Okay. Good morning. Someone's awake. Say good morning. Hello, good afternoon. So, it's Thursday afternoon na. And ngayon lang ako nakapag-film kasi we were busy kanina. Pumunta dito si Kikay. She helps us with cleaning. Okay, and tidying things up. So, tulog ngayon si Kali and si Mike. So, I'm just letting them sleep. And I'm watching live na game ng ano nga ulit ito? Signal and Zeus Coffee sa PVL na website. And I'm just waiting for my order to arrive because I ordered from another shop or another cafe, yung Dubai Chewy Cookie again. Malapit na si Sir. So, delivery fee. Hindi na lang, malapit lang din yung cafe dito sa amin. So, I'm just gonna wait here na lang. Yan na siya, I think. Turn on. Thank you. Let's try this. I'm gonna get the phone stand para I can put you down. So this is from B or Block 412 Coffee and Tea. So, ilang beses ko din to nakita sa news feed. There's a Facebook feed. And when I check their their account and their address, malapit lang pala siya sa amin. So, I message them. Usually, yung mga cafe dito, especially yung mga kilala, sold out agad sila. So, I just messaged them to ask if meron pa bang available. And they still have available na chewy cookies. So, I ordered. Yeah. Nagpo-focus ba siya, guys? Okay. If not, then good luck. So, 4 na piraso. Kalimutan ko how much yung per piece. Because they sell it per piece too. 4 pieces, 450 pesos. I know it's more expensive than yung other chewy cookies na I know. For example, sa Coffee O'Clock, 399 daw yun for 4 pieces. And then yung sa previous office mate ni Mike, that was 375. So, 4 na piraso. Ito, 450. Pero in fairness, mabigat siya, guys. Mabigat siya. Let us see.
Those blocks up on the net, at least to just even slow them down. Convert that one.
We'll see. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Medyo thick lang yung marshmallow sa some parts of it, but I'd understand. And it's creamier compared sa dalawang na-try ko. You know, yung marshmallow. Mm. Okay, wait. Last one. Okay, so I just washed my hands. Fairness, ang sarap niya. So far, sa lahat ng mga na-try ko na chewy cookies, sa Dubai Chewy Cookies, ito lang yung pag-bite mo, malalasahan mo agad yung pistachio. Although subtle siya, but it's there. And hindi siya gaanong matamis compared to the other cookies, chewy cookies that I've tried. Napapaisip ako, uubusin ko ba siya? Kaya ko siyang ubusin eh. Pero sayang naman if later maghanap ako. Sige na lang. Wag na lang. For later na lang to. Okay. Good evening. It's 9 p.m. Thursday. And si Michael naliligo. Nag-boil ako ng egg. Yan na yung kakainin ko for dinner. We already have coffee. Yan. There's our coffee. Ready na sila. And I think I'm gonna boil 3 eggs. I don't know if kakain din si Mike. Siguro 4 na lang. We have to buy more eggs. And then, kasi diba parang may group chat kami dito ng ang mga taga-subdivision, and then doon na post yung mga, syempre magbibenta, and may nakita ako kanina, nag-post siya na may pork siomai daw sila for tomorrow. She's collecting orders for tomorrow. So, nag-order ako ng isang tub ng siomai. Isang tub, 10 pieces. Yung laman niya. Naka-login na ako. Ayun, naka-log. Actually, yung duty ni Mike 9. My gosh. Anyway. So, you have the coffee ready. And alam nyo, isa na lang natira. Sinabi ko na tonight ko sana siya kakainin. Kaya lang, after ko in-end yung film or yung video kanina, hinain ko yung dalawa. And, sorry, excuse me. Na-notice ko na na parang, tawag dito, siya, ang tamis niya. Sa Tagalog yung, like, sumuod. Notice ko, di ba sabi ko nung una, parang natitikman, I can taste the pistachio. Sa una lang pala yun, sa unang, sa unang piece. Kasi yung mga sumunod, parang na-notice ko, I don't know, for some reason na-notice ko na parang mas kumapal yung marshmallow niya. And then, parang di ko na masyadong nalalasahan si pistachio. Nakakalimutan ko talaga, ano ba Tagalog ng sumuod? Basta, sumuod na siya pag matagal na. Siguro baka nasobrahan lang ako sa kain. Pero yun, sinat aside ko yung, sabi ko, later ko na lang kakainin yung nag-iisang natira after I eat dinner. Diba? Grabe naman yung hair ng person. Alam nyo, grabe yung hair fall ko nung after kong mga nak. Grabe, as in. So, may mga ako dito. Basta, dami kong mga baby hair. So, si Mike nakaalis na. Papuntang work. And, I'm eating now. Ito yung boiled egg. So, I'm gonna head to the other room. Kasi si Kali, oh my gosh. Oh, ayun. Ayun. Ayan, gumagalaw-galaw ang person. Tapos, yun na yung una. Nakakalokang batang to. Also having my coffee, pero medyo na yung coffee ko now. Na siya, ng tawag. Hindi na siya mainit. Okay, wait lang. Grabe talaga yung tulog niya. Grabing tulog yan. Oh my gosh. So, it's already 5:45 a.m. Happy Friday. Hindi na ako nakapag-update since kanina because Kali and I had a rough night. Nakakaloka. I was not in the right headspace na mag-film. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how beautiful the view is outside. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Look at that. Yan lang. Talagang kita ako dun sa labas. Hi, Friday. So, today is packing day. Konti lang naman ipapack namin. Yung damit na dadali namin ni Mike, konti lang naman. Yung kay Kali lang. Kasi syempre, ilang beses na nagbibihis yan sa isang araw. So, bulky pa yung diapers. And then, you have to bring, siguro, I don't know, hindi pa ako sure ilang damit. But we have to bring her milk, we have to bring her, you know, basta, ang dami. So, we will all do that today. Michael is also on leave. Wait na lang ako makapag-clock out and then matutulog muna ako. So, tatabihan ko muna doon si Kali. And I'll sleep. And then, pagdating ni Mike, I'm not sure if gising na pa si Kali by that time. Because I had to feed her kanina mga around, anong oras ba yun? Around 4:30. I think around 4:30 a.m. So, hello guys. Okay, to 3 p.m. na. We just had lunch. Tapos, ito, ube turon. Ube cheese turon. Binilhan din namin ng Buchi a few days ago. Si Mike, dapat tulog yung si Kali. Ayaw niya matulog kahit antok na siya. Rinig niyo. And then, I'm gonna haul, kasi nag-order ako sa GrabMart. Nag-order sa Robinson Supermarket, pero through GrabMart. Same na naman ng price, in-store prices din naman sila. So, ito. Namili ako ng Biscoff. And then, additional na Greek-style yogurt. Kasi, may nakita ko before sa TikTok na parang nilagyan nila ng Biscoff yung Greek-style yogurt. So, ito siya. And then, lagyan siya ng Biscoff dyan. And then, ibalik siya sa fridge na couple of hours. You can snack on it. So, I'm gonna do that. Siguro, 4 yung binili ko. Siguro, I'm gonna put this sa microwavable. And then, ito. Tapos, na-put this away. And tapos, bumili ako ng loaded. Masarap yung, nito, white chocolate. So, dyan siya. Also bought yung Goya na double hazelnut spread. Good alternative siya sa Nutella. So, yan. Walang difference sa space. And I bought some panty liners. And then yung melt syrup na cheese because meron pa akong chicken ham. And then I'm gonna wrap them sa dito. Ang nagawa ko is I put the ham and the cheese and then fold it in half. Tapos I pan, how do you call it? Pan fry? Hindi naman siya fry. But basta nilalagay ko siya sa pan para like ma-toast lang siya and ma-melt yung cheese. And maluto din or mainit din yung ham. And then, snack na siya. Sometimes we eat it for breakfast. Yan lang naman. Sakit ng ulo. Goodness. I don't know. Kali is siguro is going through developmentally. I think. Because she recently started learning how to stand. Pero with ano naman, like, ang tawag doon, may hinahawakan siya to stand ba, to support her. But, that's a developmental leap. So, yun. Resulting to refusing some nap, and then she refuses to feed sa solids niya because nagme-meal prep ako sa kanya nung rice, broccoli, and pumpkin. She refuses to eat. Pero she drinks milk naman. Madami naman siya mag-drink ng milk, so that's good. She's very active. Very active. So, I'm gonna put these away. Tapos yung niluto ko kanina for lunch is the creamy chicken and mushroom. There. So, yun yung lunch today. Kali. Uy. Walking sila ni Mike. So ako, I'm gonna make the tawag yung yogurt na Biscoff na snack. One of the microwavable. So used na to kasi I made tiramisu before or last month. I made a couple of tiramisu in just February. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I'm gonna put it here. So again, I have Biscoff. And then yung Pascual na Greek style yogurt. Wala na kasing Nestle. I'm not sure if same sila ng taste ng Nestle, but we'll see. I'm gonna put it here. And spoon. Let me see. Let me taste. Mas masarap yung Nestle. So far, ganito na siya kadami. Siguro I'm just gonna flatten this and then put a layer of Biscoff. So si Biscoff, hindi ko siya ililay flat kundi patagilid siya. Wait. Five na kasi. I think 5:30 na. Yung nabili ko individually pa. Kasi wala sila kami. So, pahirapan. Okay. Ganyan. Tapos na namin mag-dinner and then I'm almost done packing. Yan ko lang yung napack ko so far. Yung clothes namin ni Mike and then yung kay Kali nandito sa loob. Ito hindi ko siya nakinuha na. Kasi ano to siya? Parang inclusion siya ng luggage ba when I bought it. Tapos yung stocking cups ni Kali, yung busy ball, dadalhin namin and then yung stroller. Tapos yung playpen nasa likod. Yan. And then yung ito. Ang tawag dito ng toiletry bag. So, ito is from Bag Smart. I like this. Hindi ko pa siya na-fill. So, this is how it looks. Yung mga diaper ni Kali. Nandiyan, yung liners. Hindi pa yan na-fill kasi syempre, we're still going to ligo pa tomorrow and I'm gonna put it siya yung last thing na ilalagay ko sa luggage tomorrow. So, that's it. So, we're sleeping na in a bit. Kaya mas sleep na take. We're sleeping na in a bit. So, good night.